so full of liquor, it's ridiculous. Oh, yes. What you get? Oh, the views are so amazing. Hello, honeys. So y'all are not gonna believe this, but I done caught another flight. Just got home Sunday and Friday in Las Vegas. Like, let me just say, y'all, God is good. I'm so blessed. I had an amazing opportunity come, and I was basically able to come to Las Vegas for free. Flight, room, meals. God is good, okay? Let me just say, when y'all do right, it will pay off. Hard work pays off. Patience pays off. Consistency pays off. You know, just try to live right and do right, and you will go through some trials and tribulations, but God got you, okay? God got you. Let me show y'all my view. This is my view. People at the pool. And of course, I left my swimming suit, but that ain't a problem. But yes, you guys, out here in Vegas just for the weekend, but like, what? Very spontaneous. Literally found out the day before I got here that I was coming here. So I'm just so happy. I really, really am. But we're about to go get some brunch, so I will check in with you guys there.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you. Watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Cherry, blueberry, lemon.
Baby,
Let me do a cherry and
now I'm
berry.
feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
There you go. Squeeze it. That's a big shot.
That's a big shot.
That's a big shot. Ooh, it's strong too. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Y'all, I was halfway done with my drink, and here they go, filling it right back up. Like, what the hell? They're trying to have me on the damn floor. Ooh, I am so full of liquor, it's ridiculous. Oh, yes. What you get? You don't know?
Let's see.
Okay. I don't know what this means, but you want something.
So I got my money back. What happened?
Look at you. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Just a good luck charm, huh? Makes one in the time.
So Monica's next. Okay, let's go find her. Try to cash out.
Yes. Yes. Okay, y'all, now we are at dinner. This place is called Buca, I think. It's like an Italian place. So, sorry I haven't been checking in as much, you guys. I have been really enjoying myself and seeing everything that I hadn't seen the last time I was in Vegas. So, honey, let me just say, y'all, God is good, okay? God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good, okay? Know that. Smells good. I mean, smells heavenly.
Oh, Lord. What is this?
He has 5 waters, so he has more room.
Oh,
Okay, there you go.
All right, thank you.
I didn't hear it. It's in my purse.
Pepsi's next to the meatballs.
Thank you.
Root beer's next to the bread.
I'm trying to keep it in my purse.
I think this drink is yours. Yeah, mine is next to the meatball.
Wow. It looks so pretty at night. So pretty at night. Alright, y'all, we are back at the hotel, just chilling. We had a very, very, very full day. It was a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing most of it. I don't know if this is gonna be a short vlog or a long vlog, but I just want you guys to know that as long as you know, do good and put in the hard work, it will pay off. I am so blessed and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I literally found out less than 24 hours in advance that I was going to be coming to Vegas, and it was paid for. Like, I really didn't have to pay for nothing. So, I mean, even food, like, it's just amazing, and I'm so appreciative. I'm so blessed. And I hope I can inspire you guys to know that, you know, troubles won't last always. Things will get better. Just keep the faith, keep working hard, never give up, stay consistent, be dedicated, be disciplined, and it'll work out. It'll work out. Oops, I almost dropped y'all. I started journaling daily in the mornings to start off my day, and I know that's really helped me a lot. Manifesting and praying and, you know, having faith and everything like that. You can change, you know, who you are, how you want to be, and what situation you're in. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. Just know that you can will it to happen. Absolutely. And anything can change in a year. My life has changed drastically in just 6 months of this year. So you have 6 months left, you guys. If you have some goals that you want to accomplish before the end of the year, get on it. Make a plan and execute. Find somebody that's already doing it, copy, and repeat. Do what they're doing, you know? So, anywho, I'm gonna quit ranting or chatting or whatever, and I will see you guys probably in the morning, or I'll come back if we end up doing something else. It's already so late, but all right, bye.